I'm so excited about today's project. I made this. Hello, I'm Sandy from the lumber mill, and today's project was so much fun. I joined a collaboration. It's Looks for Less. What is that, you say? Looks for Less is you take something off the internet from like a boutique and you try to make it for less money. So I saw this whale, $279.99 at Wayfair, and I made this for about $2.50. Okay, actually it cost me a bit less because I had all the supplies on hand. But this, we sell this tongue and groove for 50 cents a linear foot, and I use less than 5 linear feet. So it was a good deal. This collaboration is brought to you. The host is Yami, the Latino next door. Great DIYer, on a budget. You'll love her. She's so cute. She's just so cute. You need to go give her some love. Tell her I sent you and give her some thumbs up. And then the co-host was Haley. Haley is from The Farmer and the Southern Belle. Great channel. It's farm life and DIY on a budget. So go give them both some love and let's go. So excited. I have some scrap wood I'm going to be using. It's like a 1x4 tongue and groove. It's white cedar and it's just laying around. I'm going to make that whale. Make that whale. Make that whale. I could use the back side, but I think I am going to use the tongue and groove. It's going to be pretty cool. I'm going to reinforce it on the back with some wood. Right now I'm just kind of designing. I hope you guys are enjoying this. Crafting on a budget doesn't have to cost a lot of money. And use up your supplies. Gotta have to draw it. Okay. I think I'm gonna draw it on, cut it out, and then make it fit. Just roughly draw it on. I need a reference photo. And then there's one for 24 by 36 is $279.99. And I'm making it for peanuts. So I think if I need this to be the tail. I need this at this end. Come in here. Don't worry, you'll be able to see this. I'll give you a picture. I just want to roughly get it in here. You don't have to be able to draw to do this. If you can't draw, you can always trace out a picture. Find a free silhouette. Find a free silhouette picture on the internet. And like I always say, done is better than perfect. This is, I create a safe place with no criticism and no judgment. And just enjoy. If you can't enjoy your craft and art, then why are you doing it? Don't be so hard on yourself. It's funny how we we say stuff to ourselves that we would never ever say to a friend or a stranger, but yet it's okay to say it to ourselves. So you know what? It's not okay to say it to ourselves. It's not okay. And if it's holding you back, if you're not getting it done because it's not perfect, then, and you know what? Most of the time it's just out there waiting for, it's just waiting for you to finish it. It's just waiting for you. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna commit a bit darker so you can see it all. I'm gonna cut these out individually. Woo! It's like fingernails on a chalkboard. Woo! Love that sound, eh? Yeah, no, not so much. Woo! I'm pretty happy with that. I think sometimes when you let loose and you're not trying to be perfect, I think it works out better. How to use a scroll saw. The blade's probably going to break, so it's going to be noisy and it's going to break in half. Don't be afraid. I'm not going to have my fingers anywhere in the path of the blade or near the blade. This moves up and down, so you put the wood underneath it. This points, this little blower, it's pretty full of sawdust, but it blows the dust away, but I don't know. And then this is the on and off and the high and low. So I'm gonna grab a piece of my wood. I'm gonna grab a piece of wood. I'm gonna use my PPE, my personal protective equipment. I have some glasses, I got some muffs, and I have a mask. Turning it on. Oh no, I'm going to get this the right height so it holds the board down a little bit. You don't want it too tight so you can't move it at all. Okay, here I go. I'm pulling it back a little bit so I can make the turn. Turn in the blade, pull it back, turn the blade, pull it back. And I'm probably yelling at you. As soon as I put my earmuffs on, I start yelling. Let's try to put this together. Hopefully it looks like a whale. this go? Oh, this has to go here. Okay. Yay. Looks pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that. Yay. I'm going to give this a rough sanding. The nice thing about shabby chic or farmhouse or distressed is it doesn't have to be perfect. I'm just going to sand it a bit. I lost my tail. Don't worry, I'm going to put it back on this so it doesn't fall apart. Okay. So I'm going to wear my safety glasses. I'm going to wear my mask. All that dust, breathing in that dust just makes my asthma go crazy. Okay. Oh yes, and my muffs, it's going to be loud. Last week I had a video making this barn board stain. All it is a chemical reaction between white vinegar and fine steel wool. You can make it yourself. There's no chemicals in it. And it looks amazing. It's so easy. Looks so amazing. You know what? I wonder if I'm getting this all over my table. I'm just going to stick that underneath. When I'm painting and sanding and stuff, I usually go with the grain of the wood. I was just trying to get the rough edges off. I'm going to stain the back and then the front. I was just trying to get the rough edges off with that sandpaper. And it looks like rain. Just trying to do this before the little raindrops come. I hope you're getting some value out of this. If you are, smash my subscribe button, ring my bell so you don't miss any notifications. But really, I really want to start a community down below. I want a safe place to create. I want you to be really, really kind to yourself and kind to others. And I just want a fun place to create. You don't have to be perfect. You don't have to stress. Just enjoy. So let's chat. Chat to me down below and I'll chat back. Love to chat. This social distancing for me sucks. I'm a social butterfly and I'm not socializing. Oh well. Okay. So this collaboration is awesome. There's some amazing creative people in this collaboration. Go and give them some love. Chat them up. Give them some likes. And it's just such a great group. You really need to get in on this group. They're just such sweethearts. They're so giving and caring and loving. It's a real good place to be. It's a really good place to be. Okay, last piece and I'm done. Okay. Yay. Done. It turned out so good. I love it. I'm just going to put it together with some 1 1/4 inch screws, and my impact driver. Love how this turned out. Look at that oxidized stain. You can't replicate that. Where it reacts with the tannins in the wood. It's white and it's gray and it's a little bit of rust. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. You have to make that barn board stain. It's a game changer. So happy. Love this challenge. Thank you, Yami. Thank you, Haley. Great challenge. Go give them some love and tell them I sent you. Love you. Bye.